Robert back here, Bluegrass Bushcraft. We've got an unpackaging to do here. Stick around, let's see what we got. Alright, a while back ago I picked up this old Hibachi grill. It was rusted really badly. Y'all seen this in my previous video. And I've been working on it, cleaning it up and trying to re-season it, get it back in working order. Got everything but a handle. And on the original video when I picked this up, Carolina Chris had commented on it, and he has one, so his is a little newer model. And anyway, I jokingly said to him, with his blacksmith experience that he's getting, that he could use his as a pattern, make me a new handle, carrying handle for this thing. And forgot about it. That's been a while back ago. And he watched a video on this where I cleaned it up, and we got talking about it again. He said he forgot to make it, which I didn't think he was going to. Man, there a couple of days later, here this package shows up in the mail from Carolina Chris. So without further ado, let's get this thing open, see if we can get this thing on here. Right, I got a letter from him. It says better late than never, actually it wasn't late, it was right on time. I mean, he made this really quick, and I'm just now working on this thing, trying to get it cleaned up, put it back together. And I've got just bolted the bottom down and still in the seasoning process on it. So I mean, it couldn't ask for any better timing, and I appreciate you doing this, Chris. He's got some instructions on here how to put it on, but mine is a little different from his. His has the holes that it goes in, and mine has the pins. But I think it's still going to work just the same. But he said he left the ends a little soft so I could bend them. Hook it where to stay on the grill. So see if we can figure this out. Alright, just from looking here, looks like this thing's probably going to be a pretty close fit. Look there. Hey, Chris, it almost looks like it might have came off this thing. I like it. Alright, let's see if we can pinch these ends down. Tighten it up on there so it don't come off. Alright, I've turned this around. I think it'll work better this way. Had a big old pair of channel locks, so I'm probably going to have to hunt them down. Hide in the back of the toolbox somewhere. There we go. Nope. When I've turned it the other direction. That's what he was talking about, through the hose, putting it one direction. But mine don't have the hose, but see what happens the other way. think that's got it. Took a little tweaking. Think that'll work. Alright, look at that. Okay, I actually had to turn it back around. Work the other way. It would actually fold either way, front or back, Chris. And but when I had the handle turned the other direction, when I would pick it up, it would tilt forward, and my little door here would flop open. And so I turned the handle back around. Look there, picks up perfectly balanced. Still folds back out of the way. All right, Chris. Really appreciate it, buddy. I really do. And like you said, that was tougher than you thought to make that handle. And I can see it. I can very well understand that. And I do appreciate it, because I don't think there's any way I could have done that myself. I mean, that's perfect. I mean, like I said, it looks like it came on the grill. I mean, that. What else to say, man? You got done yourself. Didn't have to, and I really appreciate it. Right. I know all of my subscribers are already subscribed to Carolina Chris. You got a really great channel, a lot bigger than mine. And but if by chance, if I got a new sub on here, or somebody that's not subbed to Carolina Chris, y'all need to go check him out. I'll have a link in the description box. And once again, Chris, really appreciate it.